Hello and welcome back to Portway Music School. Today's 1-minute lesson will be for violin, and you will learn the riff for Green Day's Wake Me Up When September Ends. For this riff we will be using just two open strings, string G and string D. The riff starts with playing to G strings, then one D string before you repeat the process without any gaps. Now, play it up to speed 4 times in a row.